Gator Pit, Texas, right here. I've got a 20 by 40 Party Gator, 1/4-inch thick steel, 20 inches on the main chamber, 40 inches long, counterweighted, Birdhouse stack, stainless steel cool touch handles, side access door on the stack end, removable 1/4-inch thick charcoal grate, drop down shelf. Down below here, there's storage for your tuning plates. If you take your tuning plates out for grilling in the main chamber, or if you're not using your firebox grill, you got a place to put all those parts or accessories. You've also got utensil hangers, lower storage, 2-inch brass ball valve, foot brakes on the casters. And you're wondering what all these blocks are, because this thing is blocking and getting prepped or ready to ship for whoever buys it or picks it up. We've got dual tail true gauges on the door. The tail true gauge, and we've got probe holes too right here for wired devices inside of your actual tail trues that are boxed up again for shipping or pickup to protect them. You got the typical Gator Pit Party Gator split top rack, lower sliding rack. We have tuning plates in there that are lockable and removable as well. Drop down front shelf that you saw earlier. The firebox is a hot plate on top for warming liquids and solids, being pot of beans or full pan of water or cooked meat to put on top there to warm it up. That doesn't go in there. And inside you have your fire grate and your 1/4-inch thick fire grate and your removable food grate, grilling grate. And then you've got the ash rake with the stainless steel cool touch handles on it. You got cool touch handles on all your doors. You got the Texas slide air vent down there. Kind of hard to see. I apologize the video guys, but this thing's sitting behind a bunch of other pits in the corner of my shop. But there's another shot of it there. Counterweight. You got the hanger in the back, which is also protected for shipping, to put that ash rake back there. This is a nice pit. I've got it available right now at my shop for pickup or shipment. Anybody, the Birdhouse stack I mentioned earlier, anybody interested in this Party Gator, you can go to gatorpit.net, look for the Party Gator model. You'll see the base features on there and the pricing, and then you'll see the customizations that this thing has on top of that. It's a beautiful pit. There's nothing wrong with it. I happen to have it brand new, as you can see in my shop. It is ready to roll for somebody to either pick it up or for us to ship it. Call me at Gator Pit, 713-896-0144. Ask for Rich.